Hey everybody, today I'm going to do an unboxing today of some pretty interesting stuff. I may add, there's a couple things in here. There's a figure, and there's also these interesting little figures I'm going to show you guys. So let me get this open. Okay, hold on one second. Let me get that open here. Didn't pay much for these. Let's see here. What is the in here? Open. Okay. It's open. And the first thing we have here where's the second? Oh, maybe there's two answers there. Okay. I guess they are. The first thing we have here is the C.U.T.I.E, coolest ultra tiny individuals on Earth. These are not very well known. These are similar to muscle figures. I don't know if anybody knows what muscle is. They were these little tiny figures that are similar to the Japanese ones that I showed you guys, and these are similar. These are not, again, not very well known figures. These are old. These are from the 80s. It says on the back here, all right. There's a bunch of stuff it says on the back here. And then we have this, we have the Gwen Stacey figure. I didn't even know this figure existed, actually, until recently. I didn't know they even had this figure. It's pretty cool. Silver Age. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you.